Kim's Threads, and today I'll be showing you how to make this fuzzy crochet cat ear beanie. I had some requests to do a tutorial on how I made this one about a year ago, so here it is finally. It's very beginner friendly, and the only stitches you'll need to know are double crochet, chain, and slip stitch, and you can complete it within around an hour. For materials, you'll need a 7mm hook and 70 yards of fur yarn. It's super bulky weight, size 8. I got this from Amazon, and I'll have a link to it below. Michaels also has the Sherpa yarn, which is what I used for the first version. Okay, so I have my 7mm crochet hook here. And I'm going to start by putting a slip knot on my crochet hook. And to do that, I'll just hold the tail end towards me. I'll put one twist into it, and then pull the long end through and tighten on my crochet hook. And now to chain, all you do is yarn over and pull through. So I'm going to chain the amount of stitches I need to go around my head. So for me, this is going to be 48. Okay, so since this is a good amount, I'm going to slip stitch into the first chain. So just find like the tail end and then find the next chain. So I'm just going to insert my hook and then yarn over and then pull through the 2 loops on your hook. 1, 2, cool. So now we closed it into a round. And I'm going to chain 2 for the height of the row, and I'm going to do a double crochet. So to do that, I'm just yarning over and then insert your hook into the next chain here, and then pull through. And then yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. And there's our first double crochet. I'm going to yarn over and insert my hook. Pull through the first 2, pull through the next 2. Yarn over, insert my hook, pull through the first 2 and the next 2. Yarn over. So it's a little hard to find the chain, so you just have to feel for the bottom of your last double crochet and then find the next chain. Okay.
It's only a dream. Nothing is really what it seems anyway. Now little by little, in the twilight's gentle flow, in the dance of fading light we grow. When you wanna be
I'm on my 47th double crochet. And then I'm going to slip stitch into the first double crochet. Okay, and then chain 2 and yarn over, and then insert your hook. And I'm gonna continue double crocheting all around for round 2. From here, you can repeat the same steps to get a total of 8 double crochet rows. If you want it to have a rim like this one, you can continue to do 10 rows instead. And once that's done, I'll meet you back here. Okay, so I have my 8 rounds done. I kind of like that the top is more stretchy than the bottom, so I'm going to attach my yarn to this end and just to sew this together. So I'm going to cut this tail now. I've attached my yarn to the end and I'm just sewing across the top. Making sure to pick up both sides. It's great because this yarn is so furry, you won't even see the edge. So just as long as you close the seam, you're good. I think that's why it's such a good beginner project. Like, can't really be too picky about it because you can barely see the stitches. So even if your tension is uneven or you miss a stitch, it's all gonna be okay. I think anyone would be able to make this. And it's such a cute project too. Okay, cool. So that is it. Now, if you want to, you can emphasize the cat ears by sewing like this. I'm gonna try it on first to see. So yeah, if you want to control the shape of the ears a bit more, you can sew it just like there. But I'm pretty happy with this. So I'm just gonna sew in these ends. If you enjoy the tutorial, please consider giving the channel a like and subscribe. And if you want to share your creation with me, you can tag me on Instagram @KimStarts.